Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. The question today that I got was, Teddy, how do I post images in a LinkedIn group? Traditionally, if you want to put images in one post, I would have suggested you put them in a blog post or something like that, and then you link the blog posts to a post in your LinkedIn group. However, you can now post up to 9 images in a single post in a LinkedIn group. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to one of my groups. This is a testing group I have. I'm going to start a new conversation. I'm just going to tag it testing images. And then I can go down here and I can grab the images. I'm just going to grab a bunch of them. You can have up to 9. So I've grabbed 9 images, and you can see if you hit this little arrow here, I can scroll through those images. So once you upload the images, there are 2 things you have the ability to do. First, you can click anywhere on the image, and you can tag the image with anybody. If you're in a group, you want to make sure those connections are people who are in the group. All of these people here are not in this group, so they would not be able to see these images. But yet you can tag people on an individual image. You can also go down here and add alt text, and the alt text should be keyword rich, so that and relevant to that image, and then you save that. Then you go to the next image. You can tag it, tag somebody else if you want to. Then you can write alt text again for that image. Again, I recommend relevance and keyword rich, and save that. That was not, by the way. So you can go through each one of the images. You can click anywhere on the image to tag somebody, anywhere you want. Tag a person that's in a picture, and you can add alt text to each of the images. Then you hit next. I really encourage you to write some editorial statement about the images relevant to the group, and some phrase or sentence or 2 that encourages the group members to review the images. And then when you're done, you simply scroll down and you hit post. The display of the images is not stellar, but they are there. And if you click on the first image, then you can use the arrows and you can scroll through all of the images. Up to 9 per post. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that's useful.